everyone, this is Desy, and in this video I want to show you how to use our edit multiple jobs feature. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to jobs, and then from here we're going to click on edit multiple jobs. So right here you have different options. You can add comments to multiple jobs, you can assign a server to multiple jobs, assign a client, assign attorney, assign dates such as action date, expire date, the last serve date, and then you can also erase more than one job at once. So let's say we want to add a comment. So the first thing I want to do is just click add down here, and then I can either add just one job number or multiple. So for this example, we're going to do 2 jobs. They're my job numbers. You can actually remove them if you need to. So just by clicking X, if let's say you type one by mistake, let's add it back. And then if you click here, it will remove the entire list. So let's go ahead and add our comment. You can either add a comment with no date, or add an attempt information. So let's say we're going to go ahead and add a comment here. And then you may check the boxes that you want. Just hit accept. And once you click accept on this comment, it'll tell you that the number of jobs were successfully updated. Click OK, and then we can double check one of these jobs. And there it is. There is our comment. So that's how we add comments to multiple jobs at once. I can also assign a server. So if I go here using the same 2 jobs, I can see that Chloe is the server on these 2 jobs. So let's say you have a server that went out of town, or maybe it's no longer working for you, and you need to transfer these jobs to someone else. So all we need to do is just find our server, click accept. I can hit select all, so selecting both jobs, hit accept, and my 2 jobs have been successfully changed. So if I go back to one of those jobs, I can see here that my server has been changed from Chloe to Mark. And then if I go to job basics, you will see how we don't replace the server. We actually just add it to the list, just in case if there's any kind of server pay going on, we don't want to mess that up. Let's get out of here. And then you have assigned client. So in this case, these jobs are assigned to Patent and Associates. If I want to change the client on these jobs, I can do so. There is the client I want to change it to. I click select all. I can also select just one if I want to. Hit accept. And my client has been changed. This will be useful in the event that you have multiple clients in the database and you're kind of doing a little bit of a cleanup, and you need to move a set of jobs from the duplicate client to the actual client that you want to keep. This is why we did this. And then same thing for attorney. It looks exactly the same. You would just search for your attorney and change the attorney on the jobs. So let's say you have a case where the attorney in the case change. You may go ahead and change the attorney for that case. Now the assign date is a pretty cool one, and it has been highly requested. So here we have action date, expire date, last day to serve, and last day to subserve. So let's say I want to change the action date on these jobs, and I want to make it 4/20/2022. I'm going to go ahead and click accept. Now, I don't have to select any jobs. The jobs are right here. I just click accept, and there it is. So if I go into one of these jobs, there is my action date right up here. And then from here, we have erase jobs. So if I click on erase jobs, I may check the ones that I want to erase. Obviously, it will be whatever's listed here. And then I will click erase jobs. It's going to ask me to confirm. And then once I click erase jobs, it will erase them and get it out of the system. Another way to add jobs to this list could be from the search jobs. So let's see. Let's actually remove here and let's go to our search window. So we added this button here that says edit multiple. So from here you can add a comment, assign server, assign client, the same options that you have with edit multiple jobs in this tab. But you want to search within your results. So for example, let's say you have a foreclosure case that you need to add a comment to, or you need to change the server. So I'm going to search by the address. So here are my results on my unfinished jobs. This is the jobs that I was looking for. So I just pretty much did a search by party to be served address. So that way it narrows down to the ones that I was looking for. And then what I want to do, since these will be the jobs that I'm changing or that I want to edit, I can just click on this box here to select all of them at once. And then from here, I can select what it is that I want to do. So let's say I want to add a comment to all of them. It's going to take me now to the edit multiple jobs tab, to the add a comment tab, and it added all the jobs for me. So now I can just click add. And let's say I'm just adding a comment for an office comment or anything like that, and then I click accept, hit accept here, and now 4 jobs will be updated. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you guys have any question, please give us a call. We're here to help in any way we can, and have a happy PST day.